Trogir is a historic town and harbor on the Adriatic coast in Split, Dalmatia County, Croatia, with a population of about 11,000 and a total municipal population of about 14,000. The historic city of Trogir is situated on a small island between the Croatian mainland and the island of Čiovo. It lies 27 kilometers west of the city of Split. Trogir was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1997 and is home to a number of fascinating historic sites, the best of which is the Cathedral of St. Lawrence. Its proximity to Split Airport also means that Trogir is very easy to reach. The town's history really starts with a Greek settlement in the 3rd century BC. Greeks from the island of Vis founded the settlement Tragurion, which then went on to become part of the Roman Empire, which was expanding through Dalmatia at that time. The city came under Hungarian and Croatian rule over the next few centuries. In 1420, again as with much of Dalmatia, it became part of the Venetian Empire until the empire's fall in 1797. Trogir then became part of the Austrian Empire, with brief French occupation in the early years of the 19th century. After First World War, Trogir was part of the Kingdom of Serbs, Croats and Slovenes, which became Yugoslavia, although was occupied by Italy during World War II. In 1991, the town was part of Croatia when it declared its independence. Trogir's best site is the Cathedral of St. Lawrence, on which building work started in 1213 on a site where a previous cathedral once stood. The cathedral's bell tower was built between the 14th and 16th centuries and can be climbed to see fantastic views from the top. A must-see within the cathedral is the Chapel of St. John, built in 1468 and which is considered the best Renaissance site in Dalmatia. Part of the city walls, built between the 13th and 14th centuries, are visible today on the southern side of the city. In the middle of the city wall is the city gate, which was built in 1593. The Cipico palaces, opposite the cathedral, were home to the town's noble family in the 15th century. Camerlengo Fortress is located on the southwestern tip of the island of Trogir. You will see it looming large over this part of town. You can climb up to the heights of the walls for good views over the Riva, the old town, and out to sea. Tourism is the most important economic factor in the Trogir region, covering 50% of the municipal budget. It is one of the fastest growing ports for sail tourism in Croatia and boasts 2 yacht marinas. There is also a strong fishing and agriculture tradition among the population in surrounding areas. The most important industry is shipbuilding. Between 1990 and 2004, 93 ships were built in the shipyard. The Dalmatian coast is famous for its calm and blue water, which is perfect for swimming, and its pebble beaches. While there are no beaches in Trogir's city, there are a number of beautiful beaches within a short walk or drive. Medina Beach is in Seget Donji, which is a village located about 4 kilometers from Trogir. It is a pretty pebble beach that can get crowded in the summer, but it's still fun. The easiest beaches to reach from Trogir's old town are just across the bridge of Chiovo Island. This summery getaway is prepared with small seaside towns and is accessed via both a ring road and a road that goes up and over the mountain to the other side. Along the drive, you will pass through town after town. Each one has its own stretch of white pebbly beaches. The largest beach on Chiovo is Okrug Gorgi, which is easily the most popular beach on the island thanks to its close proximity to Trogir, a large number of beachfront restaurants, tower offices and ample parkings. One of the best beaches is Kava Beach near the town of Okrug Gorgi. The small white pebble beach has jaw-dropping turquoise water, a tiny marina, and beds of beautiful white flowers. The beach does not have any facilities, so you will have to bring everything with you. One of the top day trips from Trogir is to see Hvar Island and the Blue Cave. If you don't have a lot of time to explore the Dalmatian archipelago, an organized tour like the 5 Island Speedboat Tour is a great way to experience these stunning destinations. And from Trogir, you will visit Bisevo Island and the coastal town of Komica, explore the epic Blue Cave and Stinina Bay, swim in the clear waters of Vis and Pakleni Islands, and check out Hvar Island's ancient architecture.
Away.